Good morning, Cougars. Welcome back, sophomores, juniors, and seniors, and welcome, freshmen. I hope you guys all had an amazing summer break, and I hope you're all getting adjusted to online learning. Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. My name is Carly Dietz, and I am Coronado's Secretary of Communications this year, which means you'll be hearing my voice every Tuesday and Friday on the announcements. I'm going to be carrying on the tradition of Dad Joke Fridays, so with that being said, what do you call somebody with no body and no nose? Nobody knows. Attention CU and AP students. Are you interested in taking a UCCS college course online taught by a UCCS instructor and mentored by a high school teacher? Check out computer science, game design, criminal justice, or American government. Course cost is $525 for 3 college credits and 1 high school credit, which is a real deal for college credits. September 2nd is the deadline. Are you interested in taking a UCCS college course online only that is tuition-free and taught by UCCS instructor Laura Urich? Sign up for interpersonal communication and earn 3 college credits and 1 high school credit. This class begins September 9th. If you took public speaking, which is also taught by Laura Urich, you might want to consider taking this course that is open to 10th through 12th graders. Coronado's See You Succeed program, which is ever popular and 25 years strong here, is up and running. Some of your AP and college level high school classes offer college credit through UC Denver and UCCS. Check with your teachers to see if your college course can earn you some college credit. Tuition is affordable and credits are transferable to colleges of your choice. Due dates are rolling from September 18th and October 15th. For advanced placement students, remember to get your join codes from your AP instructors, log in through your College Board account, and join your AP class. This will give you access to your AP classroom resources and AP exam registration. Make sure to register by October 2nd. And remember, D11 is paying for AP exams this year. Contact Mrs. Schultzke if you are interested or have any questions. Coronado clubs are gearing up. Clubs may be virtual or in person. However, district guidelines are extremely specific and must be followed. Once you have a teacher to sponsor your club, they will have the required paperwork and protocol for getting started. Have fun! And remember, Cougars, never be the reason that somebody has a bad day.